Hello everybody again, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I will show you how you can turn off time sensitive notifications on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, open your settings for that purpose, and you will go down below and find your Snapchat app. Otherwise you can go ahead and search it up as well. Once the app is there, you will get this kind of interface. Go ahead, tap on this notification option, tap on this allow notification, and then you will be able to find this time sensitive notifications, right? So what you can do, you can simply go ahead and turn this off from over here and you will be good to go. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. So yes guys, this is the way you can simply go ahead, go to your settings. You will be able to find time sensitive notification, turn this on, turn this off according to your need, and you're good to go. If you got more concerns regarding anything else, do leave them in the comments below, and we will make sure to give you a solution regarding that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.